In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add asterisks to a correlation table to show significance in Excel. This is a simple formatting method that helps your correlation table communicate results more clearly. Instead of editing each cell by hand, you will apply a custom number format, so Excel automatically displays an asterisk when a value meets the condition in the format rule. This keeps your table clean, consistent, and much faster to update. Start by highlighting all of the numeric correlation values inside your table. Make sure you select only the cells that contain the correlation numbers you want to format. It is important to focus on the numeric entries because those are the values Excel will evaluate using the custom format. Once those values are selected, right-click anywhere inside the highlighted range. From the menu that appears, choose Format Cells. This opens the formatting window where you can control how the selected values are displayed without changing the underlying numbers themselves. In the Format Cells window, click the Number tab at the top. This is where Excel stores different display options for numbers, including built-in styles and custom formats. On the left-hand side, scroll if needed and click Custom near the bottom of the category list. Now move to the Type input box, click inside that field and remove any text that is already there so you are starting with a clean entry. Then type this code exactly as shown. Open square bracket, less than or equal to 0.05, close square bracket, 0.00, quotation mark asterisk, quotation mark space, semicolon space, 0.00. This custom format tells Excel to display values that meet the specified condition with 2 decimal places followed by an asterisk. Values that do not meet that condition will still appear with 2 decimal places but without the asterisk. The key here is to enter the format exactly, including the brackets, semicolon, spaces, and quotation marks, because even a small typo can prevent the format from working properly. After you have entered the code, click OK in the bottom right corner of the window. Excel will immediately apply the custom number format to the selected cells, and your correlation table will now show asterisks based on the rule you entered. This is a quick and effective way to make statistical results easier to read while keeping your worksheet neat and professional. That covers everything you need to know.